Hello, everybody. Welcome to this wonderful new beginning, a new week. And once again, let's try to see what the coming new week holds for us. If you can see, there are three pack of cards in front labeled O, S, and R. Look at the three pack of cards. Take your time. There is no hurry, absolutely. Feel a connection with any one pack of cards. Just go with the flow. Don't overthink. Don't even stress at all. Just look at the cards. Feel whichever card is pulling you, which card is drawing you to itself, and based on that, choose a pack of cards, whether it is O, S, and R, and comment below in the tab. Comment is important because only when you comment, it's an affirmation that yes, this is the pack of cards I am choosing for myself. And once you have commented in any one pack of cards, O, S, or R, you can directly forward this video to the timestamp which is mentioned in the description box below. So let's start one by one. अगर आपने अपने लिए O pack of cards को choose किया है, if you have chosen O for yourself, then this is the reading for you. It's a mixed feeling actually, this week is a very confusing week where you are also trying to juggle between, your emotions, your heart and your mind, your practical thinking. On one side, you will feel that you are getting pulled towards what you really want to follow, and on the other hand, you will feel that you are not able to take the right decision. So it will be a constant conflict, a juggling, a conflict kind of happening between your heart and your head. But the good part is that eventually you will be able to come to a good decision for yourself. But if you really follow my advice, I would suggest do not take any kind of emotional decisions this week. Just go with the flow. Don't even overstress, do not even overthink. If there is a particular decision that you want to take and your heart and your mind are giving you two different directions, I would just suggest go with the flow. Don't think too much. Don't even think what the future holds. If you really feel that, if you feel right about doing something, just go for it. Don't think what the impact will be or what other people will talk about. Trust your intuition and just do what you feel is right. Apart from that, I also feel that emotionally you will feel a little bit disconnected with your family and friends, and you will not be able to connect well with the people around. It can be possible that you will feel a little bit emotional, moody, or irritated as well, and this might end up making you say or do things to the people around which you will later on feel guilty or you will feel bad about. So I would suggest, why don't you start doing a backward counting of 10 to 1 whenever you feel angry or you feel like immediately speaking something to somebody. Just pause, quickly count backwards from 10 to 1, and then trust me, you will be able to analyze your words better and clearly. Also, a very important message for you this week is that I see that if you see this one card over here, it's called the Nine of Swords. This is a card where I feel that there can be some kind of maybe heavy dreams or heavy thoughts which can create a little bit of disturbance in your sleeping pattern. It is highly possible that you might end up sleeping really late and waking up late in the morning and feeling groggy throughout the day. So I would suggest that before you go to sleep, just wash your feet with salt water, and if possible you can also take a small quick bath. I don't usually advise too much of baths. I feel that's wastage of water, but I definitely would advise try to wash your feet with salt water before you go to sleep at night. This will really help you to have peaceful amount of sleep at night and wake up on time. Also, if possible, try to go for some kind of morning walks and morning jogs between 6 to 8 a.m. in the morning, just when the sun is rising. You will definitely feel a lot of improvement happening in your health, because I feel that lack of water is something which will also emotionally be affecting you a lot. So make sure you keep drinking some kind of flavored water, or maybe some kind of juices or fresh fruits. Try to keep yourself hydrated thoroughly throughout this week, because this week requires a lot of emotional indulgence as well. Also, if I talk about your finances, it's a good week for finances. However, I feel that maybe some decisions taken in the past might make you regret or dwell into some negativity. However, I do recommend, it's a good week to make some new beginnings, some new starts, some new investments as well. So financially, I feel it's a stable week, it's a good week, and yes, you can take some important decisions that have been pending for quite some time now. So that's all about you all. Have a great week ahead, and please do comment in below on the tab and let me know how well you felt connected with this particular reading. And that's it for now. Take care. Thank you so much. Hello, if you have chosen S, then this is the guidance for you. This is a week where you will be relieved of some kind of maybe depressing tendencies or some kind of tendencies that you have been building over time because of not being able to talk to somebody or meet somebody. It could also be possible that because of social distancing and the lockdown, you were trying to maintain distance with a lot of friends, and now that the lockdown is gradually, getting released, it could be possible that you might end up meeting someone near and dear, and that will definitely give you a lot of happiness and a feeling of excitement, a positive feeling and optimism kind of feeling as well. However, I also feel that this is going to be a very fast, quick week where suddenly you will feel that there are too many things on your platter and there is too much to do. And even though you might want to take a break and enjoy your life and rest a bit, however, it can be possible that at the work front there will be just too many follow-up tasks, small tasks which will occupy your entire time. However, during this busy time, I would just suggest make it a point to connect with your friends over a video call, or maybe a quick catch up, or just a casual phone call as well, if at all that is possible in your particular region, keeping in mind the government regulations for the lockdown as well. Okay, now coming down further, I also see that this is a week where someone near or maybe somebody from your past might try to enter your life again and uh, do some kind of gossip or create some kind of confusion or misunderstanding in your life, in your relationship. So just be careful about all these people trying to enter your life, and make sure you do not entertain anybody for whatever reason. It could be your ex-boyfriend, your ex-girlfriend, your ex-boss, some friend from your past. Try not to entertain people if at all you have not had a good connection with them in the recent times. Try to maintain some kind of distancing, like I would say, maybe maintain some social distancing as well with them. Apart from that, I feel that you need to take care of your health as far as your legs are concerned. It could be possible that there can be some kind of muscle pull, or maybe some kind of small pain or sprain, or maybe just a little bit of hurt, like hurting yourself here and there. So it could also be possible that because of long hours of sitting and working, your legs might just give you a lot of pain and a feeling of uneasiness. So I would just suggest maybe do some stretching and yoga exercises. It will definitely work in your favor. Also, I feel that this is a week where you should try to postpone some of the important plans, especially as far as new beginnings or new projects are concerned. Try not to take up extra work on your platter until and unless you really feel you can give 100% commitment. I think this is the week where you should really try to invest in your personal life, in your relationships around, and in just taking it easy and a chill pill and very casual this week. Okay, now coming down to your finances, I feel that this is a week where expenses can suddenly hike up. So please watch out on your expenses, and also avoid spending too much randomly, or giving or lending money to people. All right, and apart from that, I think I have covered all the important aspects of your life. Let me know in the comment section below as if you felt a connection with this particular card, and if at all, um, uh, you know, um, you have such plans that we discussed in the reading right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, please do subscribe to my channel as well. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Hello, if you have chosen R, then this is a guidance message for you for this coming week. Um, it's a very mixed week where you are wanting to do something but not able to. You are wanting to take some decision but you are not able to, because maybe you are constantly afraid of the criticism or of the negativity either within yourself or around you. I would suggest that maybe this is the time where you should not take any hasty decisions, but yes, you should also not try to hold yourself back just because you feel the other person might pass a comment on it. I would in simple words say, live this week only for yourself and not for the others. It could be highly possible that the people in your family or the people in your circle around might not really appreciate your work about whatever you are doing or whatever action you are taking, but like I said, live this week for your own self. एक बार तो ज़िंदगी जी कर देखो, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Apart from that, I also feel that this is the kind of week where you will suddenly have a craving to eat and drink a lot of junk food and enter into junk diet. That's absolutely fine. These kind of phases are okay in life, but just make sure you don't have a guilty trip later on. So to balance that, you can maybe just indulge yourself in some kind of workout or maybe physical movement here and there to balance for the heavy consumption that you have taken. Also, I feel that this is the kind of week where a third party can try to enter, and this is a week where I feel where there can be some kind of third party within your family, very close in your circle, who will try to create a miscommunication, a misunderstanding between you and your best friend or between you and your partner. So please be watchful of these kind of people, and to be on the safe side, I would suggest that if there is a personal life discussion going on, try to keep it yourself. Try to keep it to yourself. Do not make your personal life public. Alright? Just keep it to yourself, and remember it is personal life. So don't try to flaunt your personal life out in the public, or don't try to brag about something that emotionally makes you feel happy. This is the week, like I said, live for yourself, not for the others. Alright? Okay, apart from that, as far as your health is concerned, yes, I do see a bit of concerning cards. The devil card over here is a card which tells me that health is something you will have to take care of. Some kind of unexpected, sudden downfall in the health can come, and it might have, maybe an impact for the next 2 weeks or maybe so on and so forth. So maybe you need to take care of your health, and simplest idea is to just eat healthy and drink healthy and live healthy. That's the simple mantra. Okay. Also, I feel that as far as finances are concerned, a strict no. Do not invest, do not spend randomly, do not lend, do not borrow, nothing. Try to keep finances, try to give your finances a vacation break this week. Nothing to do with the finances this week. Just keep it simple, stable, and the way it is right now. Also, I feel that emotionally it can be a little bit it's a kind of week where there will be some kind of anxiety, some kind of discomfort. Please watch out your words. Do not end up speaking something or using a particular language which can have dual meaning and later on land you into some kind of trouble. Alright, so make sure you weigh your words well before you really utter them out. Also, I feel that you need to use a little bit of salt water this week. Maybe you can do a bit of gargling with warm water and a bit of salt in it. This will also help to remove some negativity. Also, you can take a body bath. Remember, body bath, not hair bath, with salt water this week. This will also help you to balance out the positivity in your aura, in your magnetic field. Also, I feel that rest all is well. I think I have covered all the major aspects of your life, and let me know if there is something else that you feel a connection with, because this is the only message I could think of right now. Maybe But yeah, also I see one more thing. There can be some kind of unexpected return or reward towards the initial 2 3 days of the week. Maybe it is not mandatory for everybody, it's a general reading, but yeah, for a lot of you all it could be possible that initial 2 3 days of this week can certainly give you some kind of good surprise. Maybe something to do with um, some hard work that you have invested a while back, which will now give you returns. So all the best, and let me know in the comment section below, or if you felt a connection with the reading. And yes, please 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 do subscribe to my channel. It's a motivation for me. I really feel motivated when I see a lot of comments coming in and people subscribing and liking my videos as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, have a lovely week ahead. Om Sai Ram.